Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a minute. How you doing? How's your day going? All that fun stuff. So today, we're gonna do a cut crease. Look at me go. Wow. I deserve a cookie. Anyways, going in with my Soft Glam palette. I adore this palette. And my usual fluffy brush that you guys know and love. We're gonna go in with the two orange colors. I think the first one I'm going in with was Orange Soda. Yeah, Orange Soda. And we're just gonna put that into the crease. What we're kind of aiming for is gonna be that like halo eye thing, but with glitter because of who I am. But starting out, we're just building up the Orange Soda color just to give me a good transition color. Then I'm going in with Burnt Orange, double tap, wow, look at me go. And we're just going to put that kind of pretty much in the same spot, but a little bit lower, just kind of blend it out a little bit more. I really wanted like a messy, grungy kind of thing going on. Best I could at least. Oh, I'm also bringing that underneath, like on my lower lash line, because like I said, I wanted a messy look, and since it's not a cut crease, it's going to be smoky. Then we're going in with Rustic. This is kind of more of a brown orange, I want to say. And I'm just putting that more on the lid than the crease area. This is all just like darken everything up because I am going in with a black shadow later. I thought it'd look funny if I just did a black eyeshadow. Then we're going in with my other fluffy brush, my more smaller one, I guess. Going in with that darker brown shade that I don't remember what it's called. I think it's like Cypress Umber, I think. And I didn't tap this one off. I'm just going to pack it in because I want this to be a little bit more intense. My original plan was I wasn't going to go in with black. And so I tried to pack in this brown as much as I could, but it wasn't giving me like the dimension and just the deep that I wanted. Taking a big fluffy brush, just wiping off that fallout from that brown color before it gets too overwhelming. And then I'm going in, I think it's pronounced Nior, I don't know, I don't speak French. Correct me if I'm wrong, that'd be great. And just packing that in the inner corner and the outer corner to give me that halo eye effect. And the fluffy brush to blend it out so I don't look crazy. Then we have to go in with the glitter because of who I am as a person. You all know the drill. With this, I'm literally just smacking it onto the middle of the part of my eye, guessing, and just shoving some glitter. This one I actually literally scooped up and like smacked it on. I wanted as much glitter as I possibly could get on my face. It was just too dark. Just needed something. And I felt like it was a little too far over compared to my other eye, and it made me look kind of funny, so I just kind of bring a little bit more glue closer to the inside of my eye. And same thing, just smack that glitter on. You guys know the drill. taking more of that black Nior color and I'm just going to smack that in the sides. I just wanted, like I've said this entire video, I just wanted it to be really, really dramatic. Really dark, really dramatic, really grungy. Quick little sniffle, and we're moving on with the other brush. With this brush, I left all the pigment that was on it, I didn't clean it off or anything, and I'm just sweeping that underneath just to kind of blend my lower lash line into what's happening. Going in with some black liner. I'm pretty sure I'm using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. No, this is Dagger Liner. Sorry, I'm using Dagger Liner by Kat Von D. And then I decided to go in with the wing, because why not? But you don't have to go with the wing, you don't even have to go with eyeliner with this look if you don't want to. It is a little crazy starting off, so not necessary, I just like to be extra. Also, putting eyeliner over top of loose glitter is probably the hardest thing I've ever done. So I've never actually did this before this video, so I put lash glue underneath my lashes, like my lower lashes, and put glitter under there because I thought it would give me like a cool like crying glitter effect. I don't know, I don't know. I didn't like it too much. It wasn't my favorite thing in the world, but it was pretty cool to do. Trying something new, it's what we all about in 2019. Going in with the Milk Cosmetics mascara because I apparently don't own any other mascara to show you guys. But I am putting lashes on, so it's not like it's going to make a huge difference. And here we are. Not a cut crease. Look at me go. I got this halo eye, sparkly pink look. But yeah, if you guys liked it, let me know down in the comments below. If you have any ideas for me, let me know. Any constructive criticism, let me know. Thanks, guys.